Hello faculty. The Conferences tool is basically a video conferencing tool that you can use in Canvas. So let's get started. First, go to the Conferences page. Click plus conference, type in the title of the conference, type in the duration of the conference, or click this box for no time limit. Click enable recording if you want to record the session. Click in this box to write a description for the conference. Next, leave this checked if you will invite the entire class in the conference, otherwise uncheck it, and select the individual participants, and then click update. The invitations will be sent to your students' inbox. Once you are ready to do the conference, click start. Click microphone or listen only, so click allow. You'll see this window to test your audio, so say a couple of words such as test, and when you hear it, click yes. This is the conference page. The members of the sessions are on this section. The chat box is here, and the share screen page is this window. The controls for the different functions are down here. Click this three-dot button to see and change the settings if needed. Once you are done, click the X to close the entire window. Go back to Canvas and click End, and then click OK. If this is a recorded session, the video link will show up here in the Concluded Conferences section.